Welcome back to HowitKlics. Hey, have you ever wondered what's really going on inside your microwave oven? It's one of those appliances we use almost every day, but rarely stop to think about. What's happening behind that glass door while you wait for your food to heat up? I mean, you pop in a bowl of leftovers, hit a button, and voila, hot food in minutes. It feels like magic, but it's actually a fascinating blend of engineering and physics working together in perfect harmony. But the science behind this everyday miracle is actually pretty wild. There's a whole world of invisible energy at play, transforming cold leftovers into a steaming meal in no time. Let's crack open the basics. At its core, a microwave oven is a metal box, but it's what's hidden behind the scenes that brings the magic. The design is simple on the outside, but inside it's a carefully engineered system. The star of the show? The magnetron. This is the heart of every microwave oven, and without it, your microwave would just be a fancy storage box. This is a special vacuum tube that converts electrical energy into, you guessed it, microwaves. It's a technology that was actually developed during World War II for radar, and later adapted for kitchen use. These are a type of electromagnetic wave, sitting snugly between radio waves and infrared on the spectrum. They're much shorter than radio waves, but longer than visible light, making them perfect for cooking. They're invisible, but man, are they powerful when it comes to heating up your lunch? In just a few minutes, they can do what would take a regular oven much longer. Here's how it works. When you press start, electricity flows into the magnetron. This is where the real action begins, as the magnetron starts generating microwaves almost instantly. Inside, electrons whirl around, zipping past metal cavities and generating those microwaves at a frequency of about 2.45 gigahertz. That's over 2 billion cycles per second. Pretty mind-blowing, right? That frequency is perfect for one thing: exciting water molecules. Water, fat, and sugar molecules all absorb this energy, but water is especially good at it, which is why your soup heats up so quickly. Now let's talk construction. The microwave's main chamber is made of metal, acting as a shield so those waves don't leak out. This keeps the energy focused on your food and keeps you safe from stray microwaves. There's a stirrer fan or a turntable to help the microwaves bounce around evenly, making sure your food heats up uniformly. Without these, you'd end up with hot and cold spots in your meal. And there's that mesh on the door. Ever notice it? Those tiny holes are small enough to keep microwaves in, but big enough for you to see your food. Pretty clever, right? It's a simple but effective safety feature. So what actually happens to your food? Well, when those microwaves hit the water, fat, and sugar molecules inside, they start to vibrate, like really fast. This movement is happening millions of times per second. This vibration creates friction, and friction means heat. That's why your food gets hot from the inside out, and why it can sometimes be steaming on the outside but still cool in the middle if you don't stir it. So, your food cooks from the inside out, or more accurately, from the outside in, but much deeper than with a regular oven. That's why microwaves are so efficient for reheating and cooking certain foods. But hey, not everything is microwave safe. Some materials can react badly to microwaves, and it's important to know what's safe to use. Metals can spark, and certain plastics might melt or release chemicals. Always avoid putting metal objects or containers with metallic trim inside, and be cautious with plastics that aren't labeled as microwave safe. Always check the label before tossing something in. Look for the microwave safe symbol, and when in doubt, use glass or ceramic containers. So next time you watch that cup of coffee spin, remember, there's a high-tech science show happening behind that simple beep. It's a dance of molecules, energy, and engineering, all working together to make your life easier. The humble microwave. It's not just a kitchen gadget, it's a marvel of modern physics. It's a testament to how science can transform our daily routines in ways we often take for granted. Thanks for tuning in. If you love science as much as I do, hit that subscribe button for more everyday wonders explained. And next time you use your microwave, you'll know exactly what's going on inside.